Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So in this world, wherever you are, I wish you very happy festive season. Why I am saying as festive season? So as we are from India, this time we are celebrating a Dasara. It's a grand festival, which is kind of festival of victory. So as you all are learning Azure DevOps from my side, I'm going to give you a tip on this festive season. So this tip will be very useful. The teams who are following strict agile methodology and who are delivering or developing their products in agile. Okay. Thus today I'm going to show you one extension which will help you to achieve your goals in your sprints. Okay, that is sprint goal. Okay, sprint goal. What is the sprint goal? So here you can see, so what happens every sprint you will have a goal what you want to achieve in this sprint. Sometimes it can be fixing bugs or sometimes it can be prod deployment or anything. But how are you going to track this? Where are you going to list this? So generally what happens to track any kind of these goals in Azure DevOps, people follow these user stories. So they will create a feature or user story for the sprint and they will track there. Instead of that, you target a goal and to achieve that goal, you have that goal in your sprint board. Let me show you. I have added this extension to one of my projects. Okay, see here. So here if I go to sprints, I am into iteration 1 and for this sprint, my goal is finish prod deployment. So that is my goal for this sprint. Okay, goal for this sprint, finish prod deployment and details will be complete prod deployment. Here you can write some details. Okay, this is how you set this goal. Okay, for iteration 2 you can have another goal. For iteration 2 you can have another goal. So if I refresh this page, see here for iteration 2 there is no goal. There is no goal. So this way you can have goal for each sprint. Now how to add this extension into your project? So now I am into my other organization which is kind of Rajesh Kumar 929. Now if I go into my organization settings, under this extensions, okay, under this extensions you will see this goal, sprint to goal. It's an extension added here. Okay, now I will show you how to add this. For that, let me go to my other organization. I have other organization. So here I have multiple projects. I am going into one of this project. So under sprints, here also I am in iteration 1. There is no goal. Now what I will do, I will select this. I want this. Okay, how to set this also? Let me show you first. So to get this goal, I am directly into marketplace, guys, but I will navigate you. Click on this marketplace button, go for browse marketplace. Okay, this extension comes under boats category. Okay, either you go to boats category or directly you can search for sprint goal. See the first one. So don't go with the multiple things. First one will be a better choice for you. So if you want to track your goal, if you want to have a specific goal for that specific sprint, go with the first one. So if I click on this, I am already in this page. Okay, if I click on this, so I'm already in this page. Now let me close this. So now you got the navigation, right? Go to marketplace, search for sprint goal. Now get it free. Click on get it free. Okay, now it's navigating me. I have two organizations, right? See here. See if I select the other organization, it clearly says, wait a minute guys, it's taking bit time, so it's trying to read. See, this extension is already installed. Now what I will do, I will select other extension. Keep in mind any extension that you are installing, indirectly you are giving some permissions to that extensions in your organization or in your Azure DevOps projects. So here I am giving a permission scope, that is only work items it can read. Okay, only work items. It cannot read your code, it cannot read your other data which is in your repos or pipelines. Okay, it can read only your work items. So that's okay for me. So I'm installing. So if you want to have this for local Azure DevOps, See here you can have, I mean it gone. So for Azure DevOps server edition you can download. Okay. Now if I go to proceed to organization, it came back to here only. Now let me show you. So here if I go into organization settings, under extensions, so here also, sorry, yeah, here I got the sprint goal. Okay. Now I'm going to one of the projects under boards, especially under my sprints. See, understand project requirements. I got a goal. Okay, I added this goal. Now let me go to other iteration. So my goal for iteration 1 is understand project requirements, right? Then what is my goal for iteration 2? Iteration 2, work on design phase. Then iteration 3, okay, there is no goal. Let me add. Prepare a blueprint for demo. Okay, that's my goal for the next sprint. So here I selected this option, and once I refresh, oh, I missed to save this, guys. Sorry. Prepare blueprint for demo. Have it same here. Enable this. Save. Now refresh. Okay, it's already getting refreshed. Yeah. Prepare blueprint for demo. See, for first iteration, okay, it's taking bit time, guys. New extension, right? And we need to refresh every time. That's okay. Iteration 1, understand project requirements. Then iteration 2, refresh this page. Okay, work on design phase. Then iteration 3, refresh the page. Then prepare blueprint for demo. Okay, this is one way of using this. The other benefit, okay, the other benefit of this extension is whatever goals that you are creating, right? Okay, if you go to the dashboards, you can have that goal here, guys. You can have that goal here. Now let me show you how I added this. Go for edit, search for goal. See, I have sprint goal widget which is added by default the moment I install this extension into my organization. Now if I add this, see, understand project requirements. Okay, done editing. So this is sprint goal widget iteration 1. Now I'm in iteration 1, so I can have iteration 2, iteration 3. Okay, I can modify this. Okay, that's how you can have these goals in your sprints as well as in your dashboards. So that way you will be tracking, okay, what is the goal for this sprint. Every time you go to the dashboard or every time you go to the sprints, it will show you, okay, along with task boards, backlogs and capacity and analytics, it will have an additional tab that is goal. So what is the goal for this sprint, what you are targeting to deliver in this sprint, that will show you. So if you are working an agile team, you have an agile coach or scrum master and you are following the sprint methodology, then this extension will definitely help you guys. So you got it right. Just go to the marketplace and install it. It will help you a lot. Even your managers, your team leads will appreciate you if you show them this extension. Thank you guys. Enjoy this festival season. Happy learning with Azure DevOps.